Just gonna do a quick one without any of the staff noticing me, but getting my train back to Nottingham from Birmingham. I'm gonna have to do this quickly so none of the staff don't notice me, but it's a quick one from Birmingham New Street. I'm getting my train at 5:12, so yeah, I'm getting my train back. I was gonna nip to the loo, but I don't want to get lost. I'm gonna hang on till the train comes. But that's a quick one. Birmingham New Street. Had a brilliant day at Birmingham. So this is Birmingham New Street, the West Midlands. So I'm gonna get another 2 minutes out of it. My train's not here yet. I'm gonna hang on for the loo when I get on board, just so I don't get lost. So this is a quick one of Birmingham New Street. I don't know what train that is. I might have to come off quickly just in case of somebody noticed me doing this, but it's public accessible and I'm not using a camcorder. I'm not using a tripod, so they can't really do anything anyway. That's Birmingham New Street. I'm in the West Midlands still at the moment, and I'm getting back to Nottingham. I'm getting back to Nottingham 6:30, depending on the trains. And another train coming up, so I'm not sure what this train. It's not my train. My train's the cross country, so it's not coming in till 5:12 anyway. So I'm gonna do a quick one of this, and then I'm going to end it. Get a bit busy here as well. So last shot of Birmingham New Street. Alright, cheers peeps. Alright, see you in the next one. I might try and get a 4-minute job out of this. I need a load, but I'm gonna hang on till I get on the train. Well, I already need a load once, and when I get back anyway. I was gonna get to the loo, but I don't want to end up getting lost and missing my train. So that's the last shot of Birmingham New Street. Alright, I'm gonna go now people, because I'm gonna get my train back to Nottingham. Alright, cheers peeps. But I'm gonna go now because I need to concentrate on getting my train back to Nottingham, and I need a loo as well. Alright, cheers peeps.